Hi, I'm Connor, and I'm the AME for 182 Pros, and let me take you into the 185. Currently have the install ongoing, and let me give you guys a quick look at the guts of our kit. So this yellow thermocouple wire bundle you see here is the new engine sensor wire harness. That goes to a very nice disconnect, which gets mounted right there on the firewall. Right beside that, we've got our GAD27 voltage protection unit. Right beside that, you've got your new engine monitor. Fits perfectly, nicely right there on the firewall. Over here on the right-hand side is where the GAD29D analog digital converter will be mounted. Connectors are already pre-built. All you have to do is mount it and plug it in. Same goes for those. All you have to do is mount them and plug it in. Over on this side, these are all the connectors for the G3X 10-inch and the GSU 8Rs module. And right beside that, you've got your G5 standby attitude indicator. All pre-built, very easy to install and tie wrap in. And you simply
no more wire by wire.
Exactly. This is also part of the kit. This is your engine harness that connects to the other side of your firewall disconnect. All pre-cut and terminated to length. And you simply lay
As well as labeled with our beautiful laser engraver.
And it's simple. Mount your engine sensors, plug it into the pre-built connectors, and you're off to the races.
Now this is the fun part.
I've got to crawl back into the tail. As you can see, I have already ran in the new GMU 11 magnetometer wiring all the way to the back. And in this 185, the only way to get back is to crawl all the way in here
Gonna get in there.
and mount it in the tail. Very limited access, but it is possible.